Hey everybody, I'm Mohamed T Gulamali. I've been getting a lot of questions about the stimulus checks. So I'm here with CPA Wali. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey, my name is Wali Syed. I'm a CPA, and my office is in Valley Stream. And I have also been hearing the same thing, Mohammed. People are panicking. They're thinking that they have to pay this money back, the stimulus payment that they've been getting. So tell me some of the questions that you've been getting so I can help
Sure.
clarify.
All right. So one of the big questions I've been getting is with the stimulus check, is it a loan? Do people have to pay it back?
No, it's not. Once they receive it, it's their money.
So they get to keep it.
They keep it. Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, does it get added to the taxes that they owe?
No, it does not. It doesn't get added to their taxes next year.
Okay. Now, once they receive the check, does it reduce how much of a refund that they can get next year?
No, it does not.
Okay. So plainly, are there any repercussions to it?
No. So once anyone who's eligible, they get the credit, they receive the check or the direct deposit. It's their money to keep.
Okay. Now, since the check is linked to somebody's income, basically meaning the more income that they make, the less that the check is supposed to be. Let's say their income increases to, let's say,
Okay.
150,000 next year, and they receive too much. What happens to that? Do they have to pay something back?
No. So the criteria is that a single person who's making $75,000 or less is
Hmm.
eligible to receive $1,200 of credit.
Okay.
So if the income goes up over 75,000, so every $100 over 75, you get $5 less in credit,
Okay.
and it's completely wiped out by the time you get to 99,000. So if your income is 99,000, you don't get anything. You don't qualify. So let's say 2019, your income is over 99,000. You don't get any credit. You don't get a check. You didn't get a payment. But when you file your taxes in 2021 for the year 2020, which we are in right now, and your income is 75,000 in 2020, so that makes you eligible for the credit. So you can then claim the credit on your 2020 return. So basically, this credit that people are receiving now is an advance payment of the 2020 credit. Even though they have not filed the 2020 taxes,
Hmm.
the government is giving them that credit in advance to help them out because they're, sitting home in a lockdown. They have no
Yeah.
means to go to work or receive income. So this is to help people out during the difficult times. So this credit is actually for the tax year 2020. So,
Okay.
but if you receive a credit, let's say your 2019 income is 75,000 and you receive $1,200, but then your income in 2020 is over 100,000, which makes you not eligible for this credit. You still don't
Okay.
have to pay that back. You get to keep that money.
Okay.
So
So even if you get an overage, you don't have to return it. The money's yours. You keep it.
exactly.
All right.
So it's a
Okay.
win-win
That,
situation.
gotta love that.
Yeah.
Now, as far as the check, is the check itself taxable? Is it taxable income?
No, it's not. It's a refundable. It's going to be treated as a refundable credit. So it's not taxable.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Wally, I think you've answered anything. Is there anything else we should add?
That's the basic. And if people have additional questions, they can always reach out. My number is
Okay. And
516.
how can they reach you?
Yeah, so my number is 516-800-7800, and they can check out my website, wsayedcpa.com, and I'll be happy to answer any questions.
Okay. Wally, thanks for all the info and everybody stay safe out there. Stay blessed.
Same Yeah, you too, guys. Take care.